Hi, this is Jeremy from Battleplan. Many candidates believe level 4 writing means taking a simple sentence and filling it with longest words they know. It does not. Complicated vocabulary cannot rescue unclear thinking. Level 4 writing comes from precision, logical development, and the ability to recognize and answer an opposing argument. In this lesson, we will take one functional level 3 style sentence and upgrade it in 3 stages. First, we will improve its precision. Second, we will develop its logic. Third, we will add a counterargument and rebuttal. By the end, one weak sentence will have become a complete analytical paragraph. Here is the starting sentence. New medical technologies create many ethical problems, and society is not fully ready for them. The meaning is understandable, but the language is general. What technologies? What ethical problems? What part of society is unprepared? Words such as new, many, and problems do very little analytical work. Now, compare this. The proliferation of advanced medical technologies has generated complex ethical dilemmas for which contemporary regulatory and social frameworks remain insufficient. Proliferation suggests rapid and widespread growth. Generated complex ethical dilemmas is more precise than created many problems. And regulatory and social frameworks identifies what is failing to keep pace. The sentence sounds more advanced not because it is longer, but because every phrase carries more exact meaning. There is an important warning here. Do not place every common word with an obscure synonym. Examiners are looking for natural collocations and precise meaning, not a thesaurus exhibition. Ask 3 questions. Is this phrase natural? Is it more exact? Does it make the relationship between the ideas clearer? If the answer is no, the simpler word is usually better. A strong sentence is still not a paragraph. To develop the reasoning, use what I call the logic ladder. Make a claim, support it with an example. Explain why the example matters. Acknowledge an opposing view. Then refute it. Each step moves the reader closer to your conclusion. If you skip the explanation, you often produce a list of facts rather than an argument. Our claim is that advanced medical technology is developing faster than regulation. To support it, identify examples: artificial intelligence, assisted diagnosis, and gene editing. Then explain the significance. These developments create difficult questions about accountability, patient consent, and equal access to treatment. Notice the movement. We begin with a broad claim, make it concrete, and then interpret why the examples matter. That interpretation is the analytical step. Now, anticipate the strongest reasonable objection. For example, admittedly, excessive regulation may slow innovation and delay potentially life-saving advances. That concession shows balance. But do not leave the opposing argument unanswered. Add the rebuttal. Nevertheless, this argument fails to recognize that poorly regulated technologies may undermine public confidence and ultimately impede their responsible adoption. Useful phrases include, while it is true that, admittedly, nevertheless, and this view fails to consider. Here is the finished paragraph. The proliferation of advanced medical technologies has generated complex ethical dilemmas for which contemporary regulatory and social frameworks remain insufficient. Developments such as artificial intelligence assisted diagnosis and gene editing raise difficult questions concerning accountability, consent, and access to treatment. Admittedly, excessive regulation may slow innovation and delay potentially life-saving advances. Nevertheless, this argument fails to recognize that poorly regulated technologies may undermine public confidence and ultimately impede their responsible adoption. The paragraph works because it improves three things at the same time. The vocabulary is more precise. The argument moves logically from claim to consequence. And the writer recognizes the opposing view before responding to it. That is the real upgrade from functional writing to expert analytical writing. Now try it for yourself. Use the prompt. The benefits of artificial intelligence in society are outweighed by the risks. Write one claim, one explanation, one counterargument, and one rebuttal. Then combine them into a paragraph. You can post it in the comments if you would like to test whether the logic is clear. Remember, level 4 is not about decorating simple thoughts with difficult words. It's about expressing complex thought with precision and control. Subscribe to Battleplan Academy if you like this video and you would like to see more. That's all from me. See you next time.